Yo guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be doing the second part of the video I did about 2 weeks ago. Sorry guys for not uploading. I've been working every single day to buy new parts for the car, but today we're gonna be installing the body kit. So at the end of the last video, I said that I was still researching on how to do it, and I finally think I figured out how to do it the best way. So I got these rivnuts here. The set, this cost me about $10, and the rivnut gun that David is holding cost 80 bucks, and together, with all my trials and errors, it cost me around $110 because I bought the wrong size like twice. So last video, we were gonna drill into the body, but we actually figured out there's OEM holes for the OEM body kit. Since this is a replica, it doesn't have the pre-drilled holes, so we're gonna have to do that. But right now, we're gonna install the rivnuts into the car.
So underneath, you can see the hole, it's right there. And before I took off the plug, it looked like that with the rubber plug over it.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna jack up the car so we have more room to put the rivnut gun underneath, and then we're gonna get started. All right guys, so we got the first one on. There's a little bit of a struggle for me. That's because I'm weak, but I finally got it on and it looks pretty dope. So
with the rivnut in there, it looks like a golden piece down here, and it's really, really tight. So that's what I was hoping for. So now we're gonna do the rest, and then we can drill the holes in the body kit.
Oh, we're getting this on camera. David's gonna try to put the rivnut on. Come on.
Okay, now I twist it, right?
Yeah, you twist it. 3 pumps does the trick. So with the OEM body kit, we would be putting these in the drilled holes on the body kit, but these are little flimsy little plastic things. So I thought the rivnuts would be a way better option than to put this back in the hole. So I mean, they're pretty easy to do.
And I like how clean they look. They don't look like they're just drilled in there. They look like really nice gold pieces. I don't know what to call them, but it's real 48K gold or whatever. 24? Is it 24? It's 24K gold.
All right, so we ran into a problem.
There's actually something in that hole.
So with these, I guess it would fit, but there's like a bar in there. Oh, no, don't put it, because then it'll be stuck.
Oh, well.
Did you actually get in there?
Yeah, it's in there.
Oh, never mind. Look at all that big tires and no tires. A big old hole in my fender liner right there. Look at this. This is how my car would look like if I was fully lowered. What do you think?
It looks good.
It looks good, yeah. You need to do that, dude. That looks tight. Monster trucking out here. Looks like a Jeep that just went over a rock. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go get the bolts for the rivnuts, because it didn't actually come with a kit. So those we have to buy separately. So we're gonna go ahead to Home Depot, O'Reilly's, or any other place that sells bolts, and we're gonna try to get them. So I brought one with me. This is what we got, and we're just gonna try to fit everything inside of it. There's a Miata guy, low life or no life out there. And I guess David said there's something crazy happened to it.
It's not low life anymore.
What the hell is that? Oh my god. It looks like a freaking rally car. Roll down the window. That cannot be the same Miata.
That's what I'm thinking.
Dude, that thing is stripped. Is he parting it out? Dude. What the fuck? What is that, dude? What is that? I love HOA. What's HOA?
HOA.
What's that?
Like your homeowners association.
He probably gets so many complaints about that, huh?
You probably do.
Yeah, dude, I don't mow the grass for like 1 week and I get a complaint. Stupid ass old people out here really trying to ruin my life. They're trying to send me to jail out here. All right, guys, so we just got back from Home Depot. We got huge screws. I wanted to get some ones that were a little bit more flush, but they only had huge ones, so we have huge silver screws. And we also got some self-tappers to put in the inner fender liner. So now that we got that, what we're gonna try to do is a toothpaste trick or something like it. I hate putting the side skirt on, dude. This one is so tight. All right, guys, so what happened is we used a toothpaste and we figured out the hole is right around the middle. And so now we're gonna drill into it, and I'm scared, dude. I'm super scared. Fuck, dude. I don't think it's gonna fit. Fuck.
It'll fit.
Let's try it. Alright, let's try it.
Let's get bolts.
I thought you had bolts on you.
Nope, I sat down.
What the fuck is this bullshit fitment?
I'm trying to put it in the hole. No matter what, it has to be drilled in here.
Oh my god. All right, guys, so we got 1 bolt in, and we got 4 more to go, or 3 more to go on this side. But this is what it's looking like right now. So high off the ground, but it still looks really nice, so I'm excited. All right, let's get the other 4 in there, or 3. Righty, loosey, lefty,
No.
righty.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Oh, I forgot my directions, hold on.
You want me to get it?
It lined up perfectly, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna clean it off, and we're gonna try to be putting the double-sided tape through right on the edges, so right here, here, so that it stays flush with the body, because I don't think I'll be painting this for like another 2 weeks, so I might as well just check if the fitment works. So I don't want to put any self-tappers. I'm trying to do this as clean as possible, so everything is going to be on the bottom. We got the 3 drilled holes right there, and then we're just going to put double-sided tape and hope it stays. I didn't want to waste all of the double-sided tape since we're going to be doing it again with the paint, so I just put little patches throughout the whole entire thing, because I don't think it's going to do any difference if I put like a big long strip. So we're just putting on the places that we notice that is sticked out, like right over there, and then I put some a little in right here so it doesn't show. But yeah, I think it's going to work out perfectly. All right, now is for the moment of truth. We're actually going to put the first side skirt on.
Remember to try not to stick the top, because we got to get the bolts in. Okay. All right, got it.
Damn, you're showing your little crack down there, huh?
A little bit more of my crack.
Damn, Davey, you kicked it again. Stupid.
Trying to get your damn bucket in.
Look at that.
It's just showing my ass anyway.
Now it's pointing straight at it.
You need to go to Twin Peaks now.
So it's looking pretty good. Double-sided tape is like a little tiny, space in between there. I think that's because of the double-sided tape. And we got a little thing right here. So we're gonna work on that, try to get everything flush, right? It's sort of flush over there. I think we're still working on it. Yeah, we're still working on it. It's gonna get better. All right, so we ran into a problem. I tried to put some double-sided tape in between this, and now we got this, and I don't really know what to do. Yeah, I guess my taping skills are pretty trash, because I tape like down here where it doesn't even fit the, yeah.
Watch out.
All right.
What the fuck is this?
I tried to slip it in the hole. We get my mommy's tweezers for eyebrows, so we're really out here with the mommy tools. Last time David wanted to use her foot scraper, and now we're using her tweezers. So now that we know how to do it, we're gonna start on the other side. So David already drilled the holes in the middle of the little pre-drilled things, and now we're going to jack up the car to put in the rivnuts. Once we do that, we'll do the same process, and it should be easy from there. So one thing, when they went into the shop, they actually painted the lift point, so it looks sort of weird right now. Everywhere else is black, and right over here it's red. Good thing the side skirt's gonna cover that up. All right, let's get some bolts. So easy to put it on. We don't have to do any of the finagling we did for the other one. So this one is an easy install. Watch the whole fiberglass thing break because I said that. It works?
Yeah.
Do you want to tighten them all up, or what do you want to do? Or
I think the best put is
just
to put
do it right now?
Yeah, put tape right now.
All right, you hold it there, I'll get the tape. Okay, so we cleaned it up with some Clorox wipes. I'm sort of scared because those are bleaching them, and I don't know if it's gonna ruin the paint, but we'll have to see. But we cleaned it off, and now we're gonna put the double-sided tape on it. And we actually have no scissors, so we're using this thing.
10 snips.
Huh?
They're called 10 snips.
What are they called, David?
10 snips.
Yeah, we we gotta work with what we got. So there's no way we're gonna be able to do the back because our exhaust tip right now is already about to fall off. If we go any lower, it's just gonna fall off. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this to a muffler shop, and we're gonna get it redirected to where the cutout is. So I'm probably gonna have to bring my rear lip so I can put it on, and then they can make a new pipe and have the exit out there. New plan is to do the front lip. Only problem is that the bolts, last time, we mixed up all the bolts, so we're gonna have to figure out where those bolts go. So might as well, why don't we just take out the front bumper?
Why?
And then we can drill the holes through the original holes into the new.
Okay.
Damn, look at the engine. Dave, what do you think about that engine? What do you think about it?
It's a lame
Oh, you
joke.
see that 2JZ? You see that 2JZ?
Lame.
Ah, damn, bro. Ah, that 2JZ is so nice. Y'all want to see the internals? We got a jack stand in there. That's the internals of a 2JZ right there. We labeled all the different bags for all the different holes, and now we're gonna take out the front bumper. Hey David, come over here, look. Can I see my turbo? Yo, look, there's a turbo right there. It's twin turbo. What do you think?
It's pretty crazy.
I know it's pretty crazy. I got twin turbo. This is the one, what was it? Sequential turbo? Yeah, so I got a sequential manual and a sequential turbo. Sequential gang for life, bro. Run the hood down, see how it looks with the front bumper delete. What do you think?
You need a front bumper.
No, it's not a good look.
Not a good look.
Let me know in the comments down below if you guys think the front bumper delete is a yes. So we got it on the front bumper, and what we're thinking of doing is we're gonna put a self-tapper here and a screw right there, a screw right there, and then another self-tapper on the side, and I feel like that should be good enough to hold this on, because if you turn this over, I think it's gonna stay on by the lip of the front lip being on the lip of the OEM lip of the lip. But it looks pretty sick in black. I don't know if I should do red or black. So now that you guys know what black looks like, make sure to leave a comment if I should do red or black for the paint in the future. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Don't do it. Wait for me, stupid. It's just quality footage right here of you drilling into, you know, that you can't get this anywhere else. I'm gonna put this in the safari grass. What? Hey, 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 hey. Stay. 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 Wait. Oh shit, whatever.
What do you mean?
Still,
You said right there.
into it. Alright guys, so there's no going back from this build because I did my first drills into the actual body of the car. So if I wanted to go back to stock, I couldn't. So this car better end up looking fire. I mean, it looks pretty good right now, but I think it's gonna look even better when we put the front bumper on. Dun 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 dun. So one thing that we have to change is the front splitter. This little thing right here, we can't use anymore, so we're gonna throw that away. And that is also done. We did the self tappers on the side, and then we got these bolts in at the bottom. Right there and there, so now we're all good there. And the last step is to install the front bumper back on the car. David's been holding the bumper while I set up my camera. So, all right, David, it's movie time. Action. Kid walks up to the car, lowers the front bumper on it, and starts to install it.
I don't know what you're doing, to be honest with you right now.
I'm doing the narrator. You don't know what narrator is?
No,
You
I don't know what
stupid?
I'm doing.
Oh. Also, Karina was supposed to bring us drinks, and she totally bailed on us. So I'm gonna give her a 1-star rating on Lyft and Uber and Yelp because terrible service. Karina, where have you been? Where have you been, Karina? We already rated you a 1-star in Lyft, Uber, and Yelp.
Wow.
Taking too long. It's almost been like an hour since we asked for the drinks. Doesn't even matter. Doesn't even matter if they're free. It still took forever, so we're still giving you a 1-star. We would give you 0, but we can't.
I had a flat tire.